Good day. This is Scott Mueller with S&J Hardware USA, making a video about how the +1 Mossberg extension works on the newer Mossberg shotguns that have a 6-shot magazine tube. This happens to be a Mossberg 590. It's a model 50778 and it comes with the factory 6-shot magazine tube. So to install our +1 extension on this shotgun, the first thing you need to do is remove the factory magazine cap. Then you need to gently remove this retainer, which is inside the top of this magazine tube. When you remove this retainer, it will allow you to get the spring out and the factory follower out of this magazine tube. So you remove the retainer, then you remove the factory magazine spring, and then you remove the factory sheet metal follower. This kind of binds up in there sometimes. It's kind of prone to sand and debris getting caught between it and the walls of the tube and could jam up your Mossberg. Okay, so get that factory follower out of there. Our +1 kit comes with a no jam follower, 100% milled Delrin, very slippery, very smooth working. It comes with the +1 extension itself. It comes with a 3-position sling plate, a retaining ring to hold the sling plate to the extension, and it comes with what's called a wave washer. The wave washer would be used between the barrel ring and the bottom of the extension, and about 5% of all users use this to help keep that union snug so it doesn't loosen up under firing. But only about 5% of users need that. Okay, so to install our +1, first thing we're going to do is put in the no jam follower in the magazine tube. Then we're going to take our new spring and push that down there. Then we're going to take our extension. I've already have the sling plate installed on this extension. You no longer need the factory retainer for this spring because the extension will retain the spring. So I'm going to put the spring inside the extension, line up my sling plate where I want it, and get it started on these threads. Snug that up. So I do have this sling plate at the 6 o'clock position mounted. So that's all there is to it. That +1 extension is on this shotgun. It's not quite flush with the barrel. It's maybe 1/4 of an inch back from the barrel. But I'll run some snap caps in here to show you that I could put 7 rounds in the tube now. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So 7 fit in the tube, no problem. I'll work them through the action for you. So the first pump puts one in the chamber. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 fit in that tube, no problem. Full capacity of this model would be 8. If you had 1 round in the chamber and 7 in the tube, you'd have a total of 8. So that's how that extension works on these new longer tube Mossberg 590s. Pretty simple to install, and it will add 1 round capacity.